10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. It was further urged that the dictum in Coffee Board, Bangalore versus Joint Commercial Tax Officer, Madras is distinguishable and inapplicable to the fact situation of the present case, and more so may have no bearing after the amendment of 1976 to section 5 by insertion of subsection 3 therein, which opens with non-obstacle clause and provides that the last sale or purchase of any goods preceding the sale or purchase occasioning the export of those goods out of the territory of India shall also be deemed to be in the course of such export, if such last sale or purchase took place after and was for the purpose of complying with the agreement or order for or any relation to such export. Emphasis was placed on the objects and reasons of the Amendment Act. To buttress this submission, reliance was placed on Kiran Spinning Mills versus Collector of Customs, wherein it has been held that the taxable event would be the day of crossing of customs barrier and not the date when the goods landed in India or had entered the territorial waters. The respondents would urge that the appeals are devoid of merits and be accordingly dismissed. As noticed from the finding of fact recorded by the authorities, it is not in dispute that after importing the stated goods, owing to construction, furnishing, and technical detailing, the respondent handed over the hotel to the petitioner only in July 2017. He stated that therefore the petitioner was able to commence operations at the hotel in July 2017, which is the commencement date for the purpose of the agreement. He stated that the petitioner extended considerable time and resources in giving technical inputs, detailing and designing inputs which the petitioner has acquired over a period of time towards the construction and execution of works in the hotel. In fact, the petitioner's technical know-how and experience in the field was one of the key factors in signing the agreement. The petitioner, at its own cost and expense, has been deputing various teams to train the staff of the respondent and provide them with the technical expertise and know-how in order to operate and manage a hotel of this caliber. The hotel took over 2 years from the date of signing of the agreement for completion. In this period, the respondent tapped the ultimate resources of the petitioner in setting up the hotel to the standards associated with the petitioner's brand. It is also his submission that the petitioner invested large sum of money in this exercise in order to ensure that the hotel meets the standards of a modern luxury hotel of international standards. He stated that the petitioner has also actively assisted in identifying, recruiting, and training the staff who are employed in the hotel in the same standards as it would in any of its own several hotels all over India.